Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and you're back on the Raymore Reviews. Welcome, welcome, welcome. As you can see, we're driving through Halfway Tree. We're doing a drive from Halfway Tree to 3 miles. That's a major road project that was recently finished. 3 Mile and HAGLEY Park Road Improvement Project. So this is a drive from Halfway Tree to 3 miles. Stay tuned, and if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Turn on your post notification bell as well, so once I make a new upload, you'll be notified. And remember to like the video, leave a comment, and share the video as well. We're trying to reach 6,000 subscribers before September 1st. So with your help, you know, I know that number is possible. So we're now approaching HAGLEY Park Road, recently renovated, recently converted into 2 lanes. They're still doing some final touches on the roadway as well. I think they're fixing the storm drainage and manhole covers, so still a few areas that they're working on. So again, leave your comment, guys. Let me know what you think about this project. It's basically finished. I know there haven't been any official grand opening or any prime minister, you know, grand opening and cutting of ribbons or anything like that, but basically the road is finished, which is the HAGLEY Park Road Improvement Project. A lot of persons are lobbying for Mullines Road now to be similarly renovated and expanded into 4 lanes as well. Let me know what you think about that. Let me know in the comment section. So today is a driving video, and as usual, guys, if you have any property, any new development that you want me to feature on the channel, you can definitely give me a buzz in the comment section or via email, which is rushremorereviews@gmail.com, so I can team up with you, partner with you, and do that feature. And as usual, if you know any property, if you have a link or any connection with any property and you can get me an inside tour, an inside review, I would love that as well. So it's an overcast day, so it's a little bit dark. Alright, so we're on HAGLEY Park Road going down to 3 miles area. Alright, so we're passing the intersection, the stoplight of HAGLEY Park and the Waltham. So Waltham Park Road and HAGLEY Park Road. Alright, so we just passed the HAGLEY Park Road and Waltham Park Road intersection. Now we are approaching the 3 miles bridge, the 3 miles overpass. You know, millions spent down here. China Harbour Engineering was the contractor. So this has really reduced the traffic in the 3 miles area. But we won't be going on the bridge, we'll be going under the bridge. Just showing you guys under the bridge. So if you haven't been to Jamaica in the last 3 years, you know, this area is a total transformation. So we're now entering the 3 mile area. Alright, so I'm just gonna drive around the 3 mile area just a little bit. This is the NCB on the left. A few stoplights still haven't been commissioned as yet, like this one here. So I'm just gonna drive a little bit around, just to show you guys. So 3 miles area completed road improvement project. It has tremendously helped with traffic. Alright, so we're going under the bridge and then make a U-turn. And we have the Hunts Bay police station on the left. Alright, so making a U-turn right here. Dr. Glass in front of us. I think they're renovating that building. Alright, so to the left filter would bring you along Spanish Town Road. So we're gonna go again and then make a U-turn. Miles area. So the 3 miles area. So this is a drive from, I think that lady was in the wrong lane just now. Seemed a bit confused. But yeah, we drove from halfway 3 down into 3 miles, and again just showing you guys around the place. So right here is a right filter to go back around. They recently widened it. It was very narrow, so even trucks and trailers weren't able to pass. Alright, so this is it, guys. Leave your comments, leave your thoughts in terms of what you think about the finished project. I know a lot of taxi men are calling for official taxi stand in 3 mile because there's no, you know, designated taxi area. So I think it's something that the authorities are working on in terms of a taxi stand. So leave your comments, remember to like, remember to subscribe. And if you want to donate, we have PayPal and other banking info as well. And thanks for watching. See you on the next or another driving video.